Hello viewers. Today the topic I'm going to talk is about the lost continent of Lemuria or known as Komarikandam. According to the stories, there was a portion of land that was once ruled by the Pandyan kings and was swallowed by the sea. One piece of evidence used to support the existence of Komarikandam is Adam's Bridge, also called as Ramar's Bridge. The existence of a bridge in this location also supported by another ancient legend. The Ramayana tells the tale of Sita, Rama's wife, being held captive on the island of Lanka. Ramas commissions a massive building project to construct a bridge to transport his army of Vanara across the ocean to Lanka. This now sunken continent was situated in the Indian and the Pacific Ocean and was the connecting line between Africa and South India via Madagascar. This Tamil continent was ruled by Pandyan kings for more than 10,000 years before sunk. As per the Kumarikandam protagonist, the continent was submerged when the sea level rose and last ice age ended. It was after this time that the Tamil people migrated and mixed with different groups, invariably forming new languages, races, and civilization. A lot of people believe that the whole of humanity is descended from the dwellers of Kumarikandam. The ancient continent of Kumarikandam is said to have existed south of modern-day India, now below the Indian Ocean. After Kumarikandam disappeared, Tamils are said to have spread across the world, creating other civilizations. Now I'm going to talk about 12 things you should know about the lost continent of Kumarikandam. Kumarikandam is a lost continent home of the ancient Tamil people. It was lost or sunken to the sea, and a few of its survivors escaped the cataclysmic events and spread across the planet. There are several names by which the continent goes depending on spelling. It can vary from Kumarikandam, Kumarikandam, Kumarinadu. The word Kumarikandam was first mentioned in a 15th century version of Skanda Purana, the largest Mahapurana, a genre of 18 Hindu religious texts, and it was written by Kachyapa Sivacharya. The word Kumarikandam derives from ancient Sanskrit words Kumarika Kanda. Kumarikandam is described as the kingdom of the earth in the Andakosapadalam section of Kanda Puranam. Kumarikandam is considered the cradle of civilization, the place where everything started. Many authors indicate that the people of Tamil belong to the oldest civilization on the surface of the planet, and when the continent of Kumarikandam was lost to the sea, its people migrated to other parts of the planet, founding different civilizations. For the first time, the scholars mention the existence of this lost continent called Lemuria, in order to explain strange geological similarities between India, Africa, and the island of Madagascar. Scholars also mention the possibility that there is a lost continent hiding beneath the Indian Ocean. People rush to connect it to the ancient legend of lost civilization mentioned in ancient Tamil and Sanskrit texts. The ancient people of Tamil called Lemuria their home before a massive catastrophe swallowed their landmass. Modern day scholars argue such a continent could not have existed, and the theory is rendered obsolete after the continental drift theory. Interestingly, there are numerous ancient Tamil and Sanskrit writings that speak of legendarily lost lands in South India that have been devoured by the ocean. Some authors argue that one of the best pieces of evidence supporting existence of Kumarikandam is a 1.7 million year old artificial bridge, which is also located in Park Strait in Indian Ocean and called as Ramar Bridge.